morning and welcome to RC Overdose. It's Dev coming to you. I hope everyone is doing awesome today, guys. It's an amazing, beautiful day. And guess where I'm at? Guys, I'm at the first skate park that I, learned to jump at. And this is the first skate park that Luckton came at, the Eve, Revo, Stampede, Bandit, you name it. All my RC has seen this skate park. And it's a pretty decent place. And the best part is, guys, it's empty right now. So it's all mine. Today I got my Stampede 2-wheel drive. It's running on a brush system, but that's what I'm trying to do here. I'm trying to see how much you can do on the brush system. So I hope you enjoyed today's content. Thanks for tuning in RC Overdose.
Stay with me. We're losing him.
Guys, that jump literally crossed this whole line here, and the camera pound just bounced off the RC. Well, I got lots of them. No sweat. It was just a crazy thing to see. Alright guys, so my session here at the skate park ends today. I hope you enjoyed the session, guys. It was an empty skate park, lots of fun. The Stampede did pretty good. No damage whatsoever, and it's a brush system. It only has a limited power, but still does a good job. I enjoyed the day. I hope you enjoyed the video with me, guys. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you later. Peace.